Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your membership plan on Audible when using an iPhone or an Android device. So basically I'm on the Audible app for mobiles for iOS anyway, and I've logged in. On the bottom right there's the profile section. If you click in there and then go to view account, it does not give you many options about how to actually switch, upgrade or downgrade your account status or plan. So what you need to do is actually access Audible through an internet browser, and I'm going to use Safari on the iOS device. So I'm going to swipe up and then go to Safari, and I've logged into audible.co.uk in here, or it'll be audible.com for most of the rest of the world anyway. And if your screen does not look like this, what you need to do is go down to the bottom left, click this button, and then go to the three dots button on the right hand side. And then from there, the third option down says Request Desktop Website. Click that, and then your page should look like this. So what you need to do is go to the Hi Andrew or Hi Your First Name section, click in there, and then go to Account Details. After you've done that, you'll be brought to this page, and then from there, you can see Audible Premium Plus. You've been a listener since 2016, and you can press Switch Membership right here. And now Audible's going to give us a bunch of different options to upgrade our membership. So we can see right here, we are currently on the Audible Premium Plus plan, which is $7.99 in Great British pounds per month. And you get 1 credit for every month that you subscribe. And you get 1 credit for every month that you subscribe. You've got unlimited listening to the Plus catalogue. However, the next option up for $14.99 is Audible Premium Plus 2 credits. You can press the orange button and switch to that plan. Or if you scroll down, you can go to Audible Premium Plus 12 credits for $69.99 for $69.99 per year. And then from there, Audible Premium Plus 24 credits for $109.99 per year. Either way, whichever plan that you want to switch to, press the orange button, follow all the steps, and you will have successfully switched your account plan on Audible. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.